Hello friends, welcome back to Miya's Spice World. Today we will be making hot and cheesy heart-shaped pepperoni pizza, perfect for Valentine's Day. With a few tricks, you can transform a regular pizza into a special heart-shaped treat. So, without further delay, let's get started with the recipe. Let's start making the pizza dough. For this, in a small bowl, add half cup of lukewarm water and mix together half teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick stir. To this, add 1 teaspoon instant yeast and mix well. Set aside for approximately 10 minutes for the yeast to activate. Meanwhile, measure 250 grams of all-purpose flour and set aside. By this time, you should see the yeast mixture bubbling up and doubling in size. Now, in a large bowl, add the flour and activated yeast mixture. Combine well and knead the dough by hand for 5 minutes. If the dough looks dry, add water little by little until it forms a smooth dough. Use the heel of your hand to press down the dough and fold it. Repeat it for 4 to 5 minutes and shape it to form a smooth ball. Dough should be soft, elastic and not sticky. Apply a thin layer of olive oil to prevent the dough from drying up. Cover the bowl with a lid and allow it to rest in room temperature for around 90 minutes until the dough rises and doubles in size. When the pizza has doubled in size, transfer it to the work surface and punch it down to deflate and remove air bubbles. Knead a bit and shape it to a round ball. Sprinkle some flour and flatten the dough ball with your fingers. Using a rolling pin, gently roll out into a large round shape about 1/4 inch thickness. Then, using your fingers, stretch the dough to the desired size. Now gently transfer the pizza base to a greased baking tray. At this point, you can prick the dough with a fork if you want a thinner, crisper crust. Shape the round pizza into heart pizza using pinch and pull technique. Take a finger to the top middle and push down towards the center of pizza. Now gently stretch from both the sides until you get the desired heart shape. Pinch the bottom of the crust and pull down into a point. Our beautiful heart is ready. Press the edges to create the crust. Cover the pizza base and allow it to rest for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. Spread pizza sauce in a thin and even layer all over the pizza. Do not apply the sauce around the outer edge for a perfect pizza crust. Add generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese. Place the pepperoni slices on the cheese bed. Sprinkle some chili flakes and pizza seasoning as preferred. Finally, drizzle some olive oil over the pizza. Using a pastry brush, Baste the outer pizza crust with melted butter for a perfect golden pizza crust. Transfer the pizza to a preheated oven and bake for around 18 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or until the crust is golden brown and pepperoni is crispy. If your cheese doesn't get golden, you can change the setting to toast mode and continue to bake for another 2 minutes. Remove the pizza from oven and let it stand for 5 minutes before cutting. Our hot and cheesy, heart-shaped pepperoni pizza is ready to be enjoyed with loved ones for this Valentine's Day. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. This will keep us motivated to bring more such videos. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.